A new leak has revealed the promotional video for the highly anticipated Motorola Edge 30 Ultra. It is the company's latest flagship-grade smartphone, which will also be the first device to feature a 200-megapixel image sensor. At the rear, the Motorola Edge 30 Ultra flaunts a 200MP primary sensor with advanced features, including OIS support. The main lens is supported by a 12MP telephoto shooter and a 50MP ultra-wide sensor. The Edge 30 Ultra has a 60-megapixel OmniVision O60A front-facing camera. The device is backed by a 4610 mAh battery that supports 125-watt turbo power charging, 50-watt wireless charging, and 10-watt reverse wireless charging. The 125-watt charger is included in the retail box of the device. The Edge 30 Ultra is blessed with a 6.67-inch OLED panel with curved edges and a centrally positioned punch hole. The screen supports a Full HD Plus resolution, 394 pixels per inch pixel density, 1250 nits of brightness, a 144 Hz refresh rate and HDR10 Plus support. The Edge 30 Ultra can shoot up to 30 FPS 8K videos. There is 3.2 GHz octa-core Qualcomm 8+Gen1 processor running in Motorola Edge 30 Ultra 5G. There is 12 GB RAM in the device, which will be suitable to play high-end games or run heavy applications, and also comes with 256 GB internal memory. The Edge 30 Ultra comes pre-installed with the Android 12 OS. It comes with other features such as dual SIM, 5G, Wi-Fi 802.11ax, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, and a USB-C port. The Edge 30 Ultra available in interstellar black and starlight white colors.